Hello friends, welcome back to the money video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys calling setting, and today video title is guys how to save contact number in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to save contact number in your Tecno mobile, so how to save number one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to save number, so then now let's see how to save contact number. Open your phone calling setting. After your phone call setting, friends, enter number. Example where this is number you want to save in your device. So how to save contact number, friends, click here, create new contact option, enter name. So friends, I will enter here my friend contact number, and you want to add last name, so you can add last name. And friends, if you click here, so friends you can save number on Gmail, and you want to save number on device. So friends, click here device option, and you want to save Gmail, you want to save number on Gmail, so click here Gmail. So friends, I will save number on device, save option, number will save, and you can check here my friend contact number. So like that friends, you can save number in your Tecno mobile, and you can check added date when you add this number on your device. 8 May I add number. And friends, if you click here three dot, you can set ringtone on your friend contact number. Example guys, this ringtone I will use OK option, ringtone will set. And friends, if you click here star option, so guys this number will save here favorite list. And if you click a pencil icon, so friends you can edit contact number. You have photo, so you can add photo your contact number. You can save photo from here, select photo, you can save photo. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.